Other one. Oh, it's okay na. It's okay. Oh.
Is it gonna be the final thing?
So, Irvine, there you go. You separate the colors now. Okay, so we're gonna take a picture. I take them
Oh, come on. You hold this.
Okay.
Hold that.
So we're gonna try it. There you go.
Shit.
One more one.
You're so scared.
No, it will spill.
It's okay.
It can be a little bit scary, that's for sure. Because again, it's water.
It burns.
Okay,
No,
yeah,
it will
finish.
spill. Baby. Excuse.
Burns.
Watch
It's the burns.
Watch what I mean. No. Actually, when I go close here,
Ah, there. There.
I'm in the bottom of a swim.
Get this one cup. Get the paper cup. Oh, hold it. Very good. Yay! Yeho. Yeho. In a picture.
Don't be choked.
One stocking, two people.
Together. Did it?
I will use
No.
translate
No.
The red is not falling down to the brown.
It's not falling down, guys.
Yay! Yay! Careful. Don't move. Don't move. Yay! You signal into the camera, Cub. Explain it to the camera.
Bye-bye.
The warm one does not mix together.
Explain. The
The red and brown don't mix.